And see.
Because need to dry.
You need to dry. You leave them on the floor to dry.
They put the bag down.
They put the bag down. How big is this bag? Because this is a huge batch. How big is this bag? That's taking all of this. You put down just for them to dry. And then you put sugar. And then you put back in. Okay. Since you do the quality control here, ne? You do the tasting, ne? All right. Try this one. Okay. Nice. It's very fresh. All right. Take another one. The one there. There. By the floor. Not the one on top. By the floor. Since when we are
I like that one. You see?
Why you like that one?
Because still I'm sugar.
Oh, you the quality control man.
Yeah.
Do you think it's fair to put these things on the floor here? It's not fair. Why are you doing it?
I think the mistake for the guys.
It's the mistake for the guy that put it. But you said we do this to try. We do this to try. Yeah. Look at the dirt. And this is where everything happens. Look at the dirt, guys. Look at this dirt. You can't tell me you are still going to clean. This is how you operate every time. Don't lie, ne?
It's still going to clean because you see the clean.
Yeah, they're busy cleaning.
Yeah.
But they told you that we are coming. And you clean, ne? You're like, hey, I heard this on the way. Let's clean. Guys, I refuse, my friend. I refuse.
Because you see the cleaning. Because it's
In.
this is color.
This is color. This is the color.
Yeah.
What dye is this? What color is this?
It's black.
It's black. It makes what chips? What flavor?
Barbecue.
Barbecue. Are you happy though? Are you proud of what you see? No, ne? Alright, my friend. This is black Nai barbecue, South Africa. So this chip come from this.
No, this one is damaged. It's not using.
This is barbecue. Is it good to consume this thing? Is it good to eat?
No, it's not dying.
Oh.
It's oil.
It's oil.
Yeah.
It's black.
Oil is mixing with the black color.
Yeah, with the black color.
Yeah.
Where did you study this? You know so much about mixing and quality tasting. What did you study in school?
Study school? No, because this thing. Because when I came, so the guys working was long time, right? So he knows everything
How to mix.
Yeah.
And then he teach you.
Yeah.
And then you learn quickly, very fast, and you became an expert. On average, how many people stop from here? How many deliveries do you do here?
Depend on the business.
Depend on a quiet month. How much do you distribute?
Like 500, 600.
600 of those packets in a month.
No, per day.
Per day. You guys deliver 600 of those per day, and you can't comply and just fix this place.
No, that's why it's closed because it's.
I don't lie. This place has been operating for years. One day now you close when you see me. They've been operating for years, but now it's why it's closed. Another point. Why you guys don't have signage outside?
Eh?
Why there's no sign outside? Let's say what's the name of this company?
Backpack.
Yeah. Backpack manufacturing. And then the chips are called what? You didn't come out.
The same name is right in there.
Oh, backpack. Why doesn't a big sign out there that says backpack manufacturing? So if anybody gets sick or people look for you, they'll just come here and find you. Why are you hiding?
I don't know because you see, the boss is not around, so he was sending a message
To say.
to the guys coming next week to fix up everything. They want to fix everything.
When everything is happening this week, next week, you've been here for years, but you're only putting the signage next week. Nina?
No, this guy came, I think 3-4 months before.
3-4 months before.
So he take it for the sample for everything. He's going to fix this and then he will leave.
You said there's a flock here, ne? I'm not seeing a flock. I'm just seeing chips. I see the chips. I don't see a cloth here, man. Do you see a cloth? Put them on the floor. There. You think the guy didn't put them? See the cloth? See the cloth?